Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Guardians. In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny Rising on PC. Since Destiny Rising is a mobile-first game, you'll need to use an Android emulator to run it on your computer. The first step is to download and install a reliable emulator like Moo Player or BlueStacks. These programs create a virtual Android device on your PC, making it possible to access and play mobile games seamlessly. Once your emulator is installed, open it up and find the Google Play Store. Just like on a phone, you'll search for Destiny Rising and install it. The game download size is around 160 gigabytes, so ensure you have enough space. When the game starts, you can sign in with your Google account to save progress or try it out as a guest. It's a straightforward process to get you into the action. A great advantage of playing on PC is the native keyboard and mouse support. You'll use the familiar W, A, S, D keys for movement, and your mouse for precise aiming and shooting, just like many other PC shooters. Destiny Rising offers dozens of heroes, each with unique skills and combat styles. Experiment with different weapon combinations to find what works best for you in this expansive sci-fi world. To get the best experience, take a moment to optimize your emulator settings. In the device settings, you can adjust the graphics renderer. Vulkan is usually a great choice, but try DirectX if you encounter any stuttering. For a truly immersive experience, simply press the F11 key to switch to full-screen mode. This will help you forget you're playing a mobile game and fully dive into the world of Destiny Rising.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.